Welcome back to another episode of Local Search Tuesdays. In this week's video, I'm sharing an exciting update about another video. So here's my exciting update. I did a Whiteboard Friday video for Moz. For those of you who don't know about the Whiteboard Friday series, it's a weekly video shot in front of a whiteboard that shares in-depth tips about SEO and digital marketing. The series started way back in 2007 and for years was almost exclusively hosted by Rand Fishkin. In later years, they started adding other Moz employees and well-known subject matter experts. I actually shot my first one back in 2019 when I spoke at MozCon in Seattle, but there were some tech difficulties that we didn't know about until later, so they were never able to release the video. I finally got another opportunity and I rocked an episode all about Google Posts. I drew up an epic whiteboard too. It took me about 2 hours to draw it all out. And no, I didn't cheat. For everyone out there who thought I used a photoshopped whiteboard image and did the video against a green screen, here's proof that I didn't. You should go check out the episode. It's packed with tons of awesome info about Google Posts. Head over to moz.com/blog/Google-Posts to check out the video. That's all the time we've got for this week's video, so you know what that means. Put your hand on the screen right here. We totally just high-fived because you learned something awesome. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next week for another episode of Local Search Tuesdays.